Want to link your Epic Games account to Fortnite? Here's how to do it in under a minute. First, go to epicgames.com and sign in or create an account if you don't have one. When you first play on PC, your Epic Games account will be your Fortnite account. So if you have played Fortnite before on a different account, just make sure you log into that account to continue your progress. But if you played on a separate platform before, then continue watching the video. So when you first log in, click your profile account in the top right. Go to Account, and then Apps and Connections. Here, you'll see the different accounts that you can connect to your Epic Games account. Click the platform that you play Fortnite on, whether it's PlayStation, Xbox, or Switch, then hit connect and follow the login steps. Once you confirm, your accounts are linked. Now you can access your skins, progress, and V-Bucks anywhere. And that's it. Drop a like if this helped, and I'll see you in the next match.